Hey, you. Yes, you. Are you tired of boring bowling alleys with the standard activities? Are you tired of boring old pizza being served at bowling alleys? And are you tired of animatronic businesses having a bad rap due to some random pizza business? Well, come down to the Sausageria. Here, safety comes first, along with variation and diversity. Our grand reopening is next month, but we're allowing certain people to gain access to it from this week to the day before the reopening. Our friends down at Hungry Max Incorporated have helped us build a much bigger building for our business, so we can combine all of our previous ones into it. We're also planning on adding miscellaneous businesses as well, including a state-of-the-art behind-the-scenes building for all of our animatronics performances. Along with that, we don't just serve pizza, we serve sausages. Due to this being Superstone's national food, we put it on ourselves to make varied sausage dishes in our food areas. Speaking of sausage, let's talk out our animatronic mascots. We have state-of-the-art technology to make our animatronics more lifelike than any other animatronics in the world. The exoskeletons of all of our animatronics are state-of-the-art as well. We use special surfaces to make all of them feel as lifelike as possible. Sausage has very special surfaces to make his skin, hair, teeth, and eyes feel as human-like as we possibly could. Same goes for Henry Hedgehog and Arnie Axolotl, although Arnie's skin, and Henry's quill hair and fur use different surfaces. And now, we'd like to introduce our newest animatronic mascot. Introducing, Ronnie Rabbit Bunny. Being both a combination of a rabbit and a bunny, Ronnie is our newest character to hold the kids over until we remaster all of our old animatronics for the grand reopening. He also has state-of-the-art exoskeleton surfaces, and he also has a state-of-the-art AI memory and security assist that'll be implemented to every other animatronic if it works well. So what are you waiting for? Apply for early access, and we'll choose the few lucky people soon. Sausageria, grand reopening soon.